How to cancel NFL Plus subscription. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Once you are inside the settings of your device, move into your Apple ID at the very top. Tons of different options will be available to you, but head over to the option where it says subscriptions. It will be landing you on this page. So in this page, you will be able to see all the list of the application that you have bought the subscription of. Right now for me, you can see that none of the application is available, which means that I haven't bought any of it. But for you, you will be able to see NFL. In order to cancel the subscription, all you want to do is head over to it. It will show you all the detailed information about your subscription. Also at the bottom, the option of remove will be visible to you. Click on it and then tap on confirm. Once you click on confirm, your subscription of NFL will be removed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cancel NFL Plus subscription on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.